Can't find Notepad anywhere on your Windows PC. Maybe it disappeared from the Start menu, Windows Search can't find it, or the app was removed completely. No worries. In this guide, I'll show you several ways to bring Notepad back, starting with the quickest checks. First, check whether Notepad is actually installed. Open Windows Search and type Notepad. If the app appears, right-click it and choose Pin to Start or Pin to Taskbar. If nothing appears, move on to the next step. Next, check the installed apps list. Open Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Notepad. If it's listed, open its additional options and check whether you can launch, repair, or reset the app. If Notepad isn't installed, the easiest solution is to get it from the Microsoft Store. Open the store, search for Windows Notepad, and select the official Microsoft app. Choose Install or Get, depending on what your version shows. If the store doesn't let you install Notepad, check Windows Update. Open Settings, select Windows Update, and choose Check for Updates. Install any available updates, restart Windows, and then try searching for Notepad again. Another quick check is updating your Microsoft Store apps. Open Microsoft Store and go to Library. Look for available updates and install them. Yeah, this can help if the store itself is having trouble handling app installations. If Notepad was previously installed but has disappeared, check Installed Apps again after updating Windows and the store. If Notepad appears, you can uninstall and reinstall it. If it still doesn't appear, use the Microsoft Store to install a fresh copy. Once installation finishes, search for Notepad again and open it. Create a quick test document, type a few words, and save the file to confirm everything is working. If Notepad is still missing, the issue may be related to Windows components or system policies. So start with Search, then check Installed Apps, the store, and Windows Update. Thanks for watching.